Do we matter? It's a question as ancient as time itself. Look up at the night sky, and the vastness of the cosmos can leave you feeling small, inconsequential. It's a humbling perspective, isn't it? A reminder that, in the grand scheme of things, our individual lives are but fleeting moments, mere flickers of consciousness on a tiny blue planet spinning through an infinite universe. But here's the kicker: what if that very insignificance is what empowers us? What if the key to understanding our existence lies not in the search for external validation, but in the journey within? So, you might wonder, what's the one piece of wisdom I wish I could have whispered into my ear at 33? What is that magical phrase that could illuminate the dark corners of uncertainty? Well, let me tell you, I have no secret formula, and therein lies the beauty of it all. Life, in its rawest form, is the ultimate teacher. There's no handbook, no clever bumper sticker to sum it all up. We often find ourselves waiting for someone to unveil the right answer, hoping to skip the messy, often painful lessons that are a part of the human experience. But here's the truth: the most profound insights emerge from the ashes of our own failures and the murky waters of doubt. You see, no one ever told me that I had to embark on a quest to find meaning. That thought never crossed my mind. My curiosity was always directed toward the question of how do I create it? This quest for creation started early for me. I realized that I possess an incredible power, the innate ability to sculpt meaning from the clay of my existence. Each choice I make, every path I take, is a brick in the edifice of my life. I'm the architect of my own narrative. So, here's my personal yardstick for a meaningful life. For me, a day is truly worthwhile when I learn something today that I didn't know yesterday. Otherwise, it's just a day that slips away into the abyss of forgetfulness. Imagine a prisoner etching X's into the wall, marking off the days until freedom. We all have that wall in our minds, and the day we escape it is the day we breathe our last. Each sunrise nudges us closer to that inevitable conclusion. Those marks aren't merely the passage of time. They're a countdown, a reminder of the moments we have left to construct something beautiful, to evolve into someone extraordinary. This construction of meaning leads us to wisdom. It's not merely about hoarding facts like a squirrel with acorns. Information transforms into knowledge when we engage with it, when we allow it to shape our understanding of the world. And knowledge, when lived and applied over time, crystallizes into wisdom. Wisdom is the essence left in the glass after all the trivialities have evaporated. The most profound truths are often the simplest ones, waiting patiently for us to recognize them. That's my aspiration. I want to be the wise elder in my rocking chair, not lamenting about the good old days motivation speech.